Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. And first of all, last time I covered Jasmy, I said that I would cover this. I think something like every other day. I haven't been doing that. All right, the markets have been well quite bullish, and honestly, Jasmy until yesterday. I mean, before that, we also, and you can also see that here on the 12-hour time frame. We've basically started some sort of an uptrend here since what is it? Maybe like right here, the 18th of September. So we've been relatively bullish here for a longer period of time. However, other cryptos were just more interesting to cover. So now, especially since Jasmy is also, an alert just went off on Jasmy for me. Also now that Jasmy is getting a little bit more bullish, I will try to cover it at least every other day, but please excuse me if I forget a day. But alright, so we're going to talk about Jasmy. Like I said, I think we already formed a relatively bullish structure earlier last week when the market, of course, also was bullish. And right now we are pretty bullish as well. We broke out yesterday, and yesterday was very much a very interesting day for Jasmy, because that was the first day in a while, and I almost have to sneeze, so excuse me. It was the first day in a while, and we actually gained a lot of momentum. The other time was the 18th of September when I think we turned bullish. And this is what you need, all right? So ultimately, I think it's a matter of time before Jasmy really starts to rally again. Because Jasmy is just one of those coins that when the market gets bullish, it will rally, all right? So here you can see in February we did, and then we had another big rally in May, which not a lot of cryptos had that. But no, Jasmy is a solid project. Solid fundamentals. It has great backing with DWF Labs backing it, which they also are quite known for pumping their crypto. So it's a matter of time before it's pumping, and I do think it has a good chance here. So yesterday, like I said, we already gained quite a lot of momentum over the course of yesterday evening and the night. That momentum dropped down a bit, but the CVD is again positive. So what that means is that it's mostly short positions closing. Bitcoin is very bullish here. For me, the main thing that I want you to take away from Jasmy right here is probably this level right here, around 2.25 cents. So that's 0.0225. That is such a strong level historically. You can see it's very, very well respected, at least that area. So between 2.3 and 2.25, 2.25 cents. But in this case, on the 12-hour time frame, which closes at 2 p.m. UTC plus 2 later today, there's also the 382 fib of this entire move down. So that's a very strong key level in general, and the 200 EMA. So if we are able to break above that, if we're able to hold it, I think we have already formed a bullish structure, but that would be such a big bullish breakout that I will probably buy. All right, for now, we're still at that resistance, right? So you can see that there's a lot of resistance here between around 2.3 cents. And then again, there's quite a lot of resistance at 2.5 cents. If you really want to be safe, if you want to be on the safe side, wait for 2.5 cents to break, all right? Because then we have actually broken this. Oh, this is very old. We have already broken this, I think. Yeah, okay. No, but 2.5 cents, as you can see historically, is an even stronger resistance level. It's a psychological level. You have the 0.5 fib there. So if we're able to break above that, it's almost guaranteed that we're going to rally. I think it's already enough with the momentum we're seeing right now and the momentum in the markets. I think it's already enough to break above 2.25 cents on the 12-hour time frame. So if we're able to do that, I think that's the moment that Jasmy will really turn bullish, right? So that we can actually get some real moves with momentum. Until that time, we will stay bullish, but we'll just kind of stay down here, right? So at this point of time, it is still possible, and you do need to be prepared for that if we do not break above 2.25 and 2.3 cents here, we can still drop down and consolidate down here before we break above that later this week, maybe even next week. It depends a lot on Bitcoin still. So know that, all right? Be ready for the breakout, but until we get the breakout, know that we can also still pull back and consolidate until we get enough momentum to do so. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. All right. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.